Tonight I'm summoning the fudgiest vegan Halloween brownies, with a pumpkin swirl that's equal parts cozy and creepy. Here's the plan. 1 bowl, 1 pan maximum spook. First, preheat the cauldron. 350 degree, that's 175 degree. Line an 888-inch pan with parchment so the brownies lift out like magic. In a large bowl, I whisk the dry base, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 2-cup cocoa powder, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, a little espresso powder if you've got it. It boosts the chocolate. Now the wet 1/2 cup plant milk, 1/3 cup neutral oil, melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Pour it in and stir until it's glossy and thick. If you like extra drama, fold in 1/2 cup dairy-free chocolate chips. Pumpkin swirl coming in hot. 3/4 cup pumpkin puree. 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie, spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 teaspoons cornstarch to help it set. Smooth and bright orange. Spread the brownie batter into the pan. Dollop the pumpkin mixture on top in big spooky blobs. Drag a knife through in figure eights to swirl. Don't overmix, you want those haunted ribbons. Decor time, optional but fun. A sprinkle of vegan chocolate chips, or hold a few candy eyes for after baking. Bake 25 to 30 minutes until the edges are set and the center has a soft, fudgy wobble. A toothpick should come out with a few moist crumbs. While it bakes, quick web trick, stir 1 to 3 cup powdered sugar with tiny splashes of plant milk until it's thick but pipeable. Transfer to a small bag, snip the tip. Let the slab cool at least 20 minutes. This is where patience makes the texture perfect. Now the spooky finish pipe, 3 concentric circles on top, then pull lines outward with a toothpick to make webs. Dot on candy eyes, or press in pretzel stick tombstones with a little icing glue. Slice into squares. The cross section? Dark, fudgy chocolate laced with glowing pumpkin. Sweet, spiced, and totally plant-based. Serve warm with a scoop of dairy-free vanilla, or chill for clean, dense cuts. Either way, these disappear faster than a ghost at sunrise. If you try them, tag me. Show me your webs, your bats, your mini pumpkin patches. Happy haunting and happy baking. I'll see you in the next bite.